Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an app on GoodBarber. So as you can see guys, here we are on the GoodBarber website, which is goodbarber.com. And guys, in this video, I will be showing you the first steps of creating an app on GoodBarber, an app builder that allows you to create apps for Google Play, the App Store, and the web without any programming skills. As you can see here on the screen, they are offering a free 30-day trial period, which is helpful to get to know the platform. So start creating and testing your app before subscribing to a subscription plan on GoodBarber. So guys, now let's start creating our app. So go to the top right corner and click on Create App. And here you will have a few steps that you need to do. So you can first need to choose a template, then choose a theme, choose a navigation, then name your project, and then in the end, you will have your account. So themes are basically the most common types of apps that can be created using GoodBarber. They can be content apps like radio, newspaper, online courses, or e-commerce apps like restaurants, grocery stores, and click and collect. That's a crucial step as you get to decide if you want an app where you want to share content like articles and videos, or an app to sell products. So when selecting a template, it appears on the preview on the right. So you can see as when you click here, you will see that it appears here. And we just then need to click next to go further. In this second step, guys, as you can see, we have to choose a theme. So the theme is the general style of fonts and colors used in the app. You can select one now and then modify it later if you want. Again, when selecting a template, it appears on the right side as a preview. So when you click on a theme, like when we did a template, so it's here so you can see which one you chose. And now let's go to the third part of this app builder. Here, basically, guys, you have to choose a navigation. So a menu with whole words only icons that appears from the side or on the bottom down of your page. You select the one you like the most, knowing you can always change it later. So you don't have to be too hard on yourself for that. So, and then when you pick one, again, it will appear on the right side, and you then just need to click next. And here on the fourth step, you have to name your project. So the name you give to your app will then appear in the URL of your app project, unless you set an external domain name afterwards. Choosing the word test is not really suggested, so choose something on purpose. So basically, application about clothing, you can maybe call it, or for jeans, you can maybe call it jeans app like this, and then you just need to click next. And guys, here on the last step, as you can see, you need to set up your account. So you need to add your email address and the password. So basically, when you do that, you just need to go and click on Create My App, and you'll be brought to a screen that we'll be jumping to in just a few seconds. And here, guys, in front of you now, you'll have your application. So you land on a demo app with all the settings you just selected. It's a demo app with demo content. You can still retouch or completely edit the style of the structure, and you'll definitely need to customize the content by deleting or hiding the demo content and adding your own articles, pictures, or products in the case of e-commerce applications. Now, guys, let's see what we have on the menu on the left. So as you can see, the menu is different basically, and it depends on whether you're creating an e-commerce app or a content app. For the sake of this video, I will be creating a content app. So the first thing that is here is, as you can see, the dashboard. So it's indeed where you'll see all the traffic when the app is published. So that's for the dashboard. Moving on, we have the content, where when you click on it, you can see you have different options. So you have add, content list, comments, and the trash can. Content is where you can manage your pieces of content basically. So you can add a new article, video, photo, gallery, etc. Next, moving on, we have the community, where you have the authentication, user community, and the chats. So basically, community is where you find your list of users and set the privacy of your app sections. Moving on to the next option is notification, where we have the push, send, schedule, and history. So this is where you can set functionalities to interact with all your users, such as push notifications, which is, as you can see, the first thing. We have the My App, where in the menu, where you can, basically this is a menu where you can edit the style and structure of your app, which we will be talking about later in this video. Now, the publication or publish, however you want to call it, is where you manage your publication process. It's not just a click. The submission of an app to the store is a process, but we provide clear instructions and dedicated assistance through the support to make it as smooth as possible. You can also pay an extra service where the time for publication comes to ask GoodBarber to take care of the publication process. Here, guys, you also have the extension stores. So you can click on it and you can see all the extensions that you can go and add. For instance, you have, as you can see, content, membership, logins, and you have monetization, which when you click on, you can have, you can see that you have 14 of these for monetization. So you have memberships, appointment booking, etc., etc. You can also go and check this out. And now, guys, I'll be showing you the different customizations that you can do for your application. So the first thing that you need to do is go here on the left side of the screen and click on My App, and all of the customizations will be on the right side. So as you can see them all here. So we have the theme library. This menu is where you can change your app's global style with just a click. So all changes are directly available in the app's preview. So basically here you can see some themes. You can, of course, as you can see, you have the colors that you can go and change for them, of course, if you want. All of your themes are here in one place. I mean, all the available themes are here in one place. So as you can see, there are a lot of themes that you can choose from. Then you can click on the theme that you want. You can either live preview it like this, so you can see how it looks like this. If you want to use that theme, you can apply it, or you can cancel it if you don't like it. Then we can move on to other stuff. So we have, when we go back to My Apps, we have colors and fonts. So here you can select your color theme. Our color theme consists of 4 colors. So every color will automatically correspond to an element of the app. So text, buttons, titles, backgrounds, etc. And all fonts can be customized in terms of the theme and size. So as you can see here, we have the colors are on the left side and fonts are on the other side, which you can go and make bigger if you want. You can make them smaller. Of course, when you finish that, you can go click apply, or you can, of course, cancel it, or you can refresh fonts to see some others to get it back to the original size. Here in the colors, you can see headers, primary colors, everything's here. You can go and change it. And again, of course, go apply it or cancel it if you want to do it like that. So now we also have the structure, where you can go, you have a tree view or you have a list view. So you can go and change these, or you can add sections, of course, and make them appear in the menu or hide them from the menu. So you can see that they're all here. So the ones that are in my application, so home, products, blogs, at the moment they're all here. If I go and click on 3 dots for, let's say, for the blog, I can go to settings to change it. I can edit the content, modify the design. I can, of course, hide it. As you can see, it's now hidden. It's not deleted, it's there. And of course, we can get it back if you want. Of course, here you can add some new sections, and you can, of course, delete it if you don't want it. So here it is in the other sections, it's hidden. So you just need to click again on the 3 dots, and you can then just get it to be visible again by clicking here. Of course, you can add sections also here, and the header of your is here that also you can go and click on it to change the header. And guys, if you have any problems, you can always go to the support, which is on the bottom left here. As you can see here, you can get started with the help center. So you can click on the question mark so to get to it. So here's a list of instructions to help you onboarding. So by clicking on help center, you can access a resource page when you click there. Basically, so the most performant resource are the online help, which can go and you can contact with the support directly. So basically, when you're here, you just need to click on the contact support, and here you can go and choose a category, what the problem is, and basically they will help you in no time. So also, guys, just so you know, you have the settings option here in the top left corner, where you can see all the app informations. As you can see, errors, you can see the app's text, you can see other settings with your fonts. You can add some other fonts if you want. You have your files here. You can basically, you have everything about the settings. And of course, if you want some extensions, you have the extension store, where, as you can see, you have the all extensions, management, themes, and resellers. So basically, if you are not satisfied with everything that you have and you want something more, you can always go and do the extensions and see that. Also, if you want to preview your application when you're done, so when you basically ended everything, you want to see how it looks, maybe you want to change something afterwards, you just need to click on the top right corner on the preview button, and here you will have a preview of your app. So you'll see everything here. You can see it as a phone, you can see it on tablet, on laptop, on the PC, iOS, whatever you want. So basically, that's one good tip, so you know that you can do the preview also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. So just to remind you, you have the 30-day trial, the test, and you can go and create as many apps as you want. But with that, so yeah, you can find the link to the test of the Good Barber in the video description, of course. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. And I hope that you will go to the Good Barber and check out the app. And guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.